This lesson we will make an introduction for some complicated drawing to generate the NC program. Firstly, start the AutoCAD software. You can drawing a painting. You can create a painting here, or we can open the available one. From this drawing, we can notice this is a little complicated. It has a vertical cutting, straight cutting, and curve cutting. So for this complicated drawing, NC program generation, we will use another button, the backline button, and the second NC button. Firstly, we will select the two vertical lines and set up a backline. That means the bandsaw blade cut in and come back. Cut in, come back, and then do the straight cutting, curve cutting. Okay, firstly press this button and select the vertical line, and then you can press the space button or the enter button on the keyboard. Let us press the space button. So we can see this line is changing to purple color. Let us see another vertical line. Press the space button. Okay, no. Press this button again. Select it and press space button. Okay, it's ready. After set up the backline for the vertical lines, we need to use the second NC button to create the cutting route. Normally, for the cutting route setup, we will do it from the left to right, the bottom to the top, in this order. Okay, let us press this button and select the first one. Press space button or enter button. Okay, let us press the space button. Okay, we can notice here show the green arrows. That means it's set up successfully for this line. We'll see another one. Press the space button. Okay, it did. Select the straight line. Press the space button again. You can see the straight line shows arrows. And then the curve line. For the curve line, we need to select all of the parts from the left to the right. Okay, all of them. Okay, press the space button again. Okay, we can see the curve line all set up the cutting route. All have the green arrows. After set up all of the cutting routes, we press the space button again. It will show this window. That is the space for each cutting. The distance. This is number. This number is the cutting times. For example, let us input 10 pieces. Let us press the build NC button. Okay, select the folder or the address you want to create the file, and give it a name, T001. Okay, save it. Let us find it. Where is it? Let us find the program. Okay, here it is. Okay. This is a new program we generated. It is same. Before we go to the CNC pencil cut it, we need to simulate it by the software. Start this simulation software. Open the program we created. Press this button to show the right window with the symbol showing. The second button, the second wheel end. Okay. Press start button to see how it goes. Okay. The vertical cutting line. The red line angle, it means the pencil blade rotate. Okay, adjust the speed. Curve cutting. Come back. Vertical cutting. Horizontal cutting. Curve cutting. So from this simulation, we can know this cutting precise and cutting road is okay. It's no problem. So we can copy this program to the CNC pencil and do the real cutting. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.